for short. We use Visual Studio Code. Install it on your system, get ready to unload it. IDE, it's where you write your code. Next, install Node.js. It's JavaScript's engine on the road. Node runs JavaScript outside the browser. That's its role. You're set up for success. Now you're on a roll. JavaScript saves the channel that shows you how. Learning code, make magic happen now. From websites to apps, it's all within reach. With JavaScript, think we're here to teach. I learned JavaScript, it's the web's heartbeat. For jobs and for fun, it's your coding seat. Make a new directory on your hard drive, friend. Name it Learn.js, let the learning begin. Open Visual Studio Code, create a file so neat, call it Learn.js. You're setting up your BM5 design console.log on your screen. Put hello world in quotes, it's a coding dream. Console the log will print things out, you'll see. This command will be your friend throughout this spree. JavaScript saves the channel that shows you how. Learning code, make magic happen now. From websites to apps, it's all within reach. With JavaScript, think we're here to teach. Why learn JavaScript? It's the web's heartbeat. For jobs and for fun, it's your coding seat. Open up a terminal, it's writing VS Code. Run your JavaScript, let your skills explode. From the run menu or Control F5, you might need to select Node.js to bring your code alive. Watch the output, hello world in the terminal window. You've just run your first script. Look at that, whoa. Now you've written and run your first JS script. It's easier than you thought, now you're fully equipped. From here on out, the sky's the limit. Learning JavaScript step by step, minute by minute. JavaScript saves the channel that shows you how. Learning code, make magic happen now. From websites to apps, it's all within reach. With JavaScript, think we're here to teach. Why learn JavaScript? It's the web's heartbeat. For jobs and for fun, it's your coding seat. Stick with us and you'll go far. A JavaScript pro or a Sage superstar. JavaScript Sage, come and learn with me. From novice to master, you'll be coding with glee.
All right, so here is the download page for Visual Studio Code. It's just code.visualstudio.com/download. It's a free download and it's very easy to do. The next thing you need to do is install Node.js. And here I've got the page pulled up for the download. And for Windows, here are the installation instructions. It's pretty easy. The next thing I'm going to do is create a Learn.js folder. And so I'll say new Learn.js, and that way I'll have everything in the same folder as I go through these exercises and develop. So here I am in Visual Studio Code, and I'm going to open a folder. So I'll be working on that folder we just created. Notice it's blank, but I'm still going to say select folder, and that way I will have it to use. So from within the Explorer pane, I'm going to drop down Learn.js. You see there's nothing there. And I'm going to create a new file. And we're going to call it learn1.js as the song indicated. And notice the edit window doesn't have anything in it. So I'm going to type console.log as we were told to do, hello world. And I'm going to put a semicolon at the end of that line. Technically in JavaScript you're not required to add that semicolon, but it's good form to do so. So the next thing we want to do is run, and you can either go up here and say run without debugging, or I always just hit Control F5, and the first time it's probably going to ask you what you want to run with, and so you just say Node.js. And you notice a terminal window comes open, and you can see the program ran, executing the console.log command, displaying the text in the terminal window.